West Coast Swing Thursday night, Nick's nightclub. I got myself with the talented Miss Stephanie by my side. We're going to share with you a really cool whip. Now remember, a basic whip is an 8-count sequence where the leaders get off the track. She does her coaster, you make a little pivot turn, and then you send her back to where she began. That's your basic whip. This is a whip with a tandem turn in it, so tandem whip. It's very cool, but it does take some time to get this tandem part, and that's why we're going to show it to you with different views to make sure you can see it well. So on a sugar push, you're going to bring Stephanie in, your lead, your follower, same as a regular whip. 1, turning her to her right, landing on 2. So 1, 2. We're just focusing on her right now. She does her coaster set, back, together, come forward. That's her part. I didn't do anything for mine because I just wanted you to see her. So front to back, on the sugar push, you pull her in, she turns, 1, 2, back, together, come forward. She's on her right foot with her weight. Now for myself, I'm doing something a little bit different than my regular whip would do. So 1, 2, here on the sugar push. To 4, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm on my left foot, but I'm beside her. I'm on the left rail. Normally I would be here in front of her by 4. I need to be beside her for what's coming up. So from front to back, on a sugar push, pull her in, just 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm preparing her and I for the tandem part. Hope you like this, guys. Remember, click subscribe for a free video. Like it. She'll get mad if you don't like it. We're just going to show it to you this way to 4 again. You may not see her very well, but you see where I, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm a little bit ahead of her on the track. Left foot for me, right foot for her. The next part really has to be shown all together. It's hard to stop in the middle of it. So last 4 counts. It's going to look like this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It takes a lot of time to get that tandem part. That's why we record it so you can take your time and learn it. So on the sugar, we're going to get to 4 again. We're going to do a little slow, maybe a little tough. 3 and 4. Now I'm preparing myself. 5. I'm starting to step my right foot, twisted slightly to my right, bringing her forward on her left. But after 5, I'm going that way. But you're going to pull her this way for 6. So it's a hard turn to do 5, 6. But let's see if we can do 5, 6 just like that. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. It might be a little bit easier seeing it front to back. So I go into that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So we pivot turn. And again, if you don't have somebody that knows how to do this, show it to her. At least, if she's a good follower, she'll pick it up pretty quick. So here's the 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I'm also compressing into the floor to get a little spring motion on the end of it. And then just the rest. Does require a little bit of a hand adjustment for the leaders for the 7 and 8. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you kind of saw me, I kind of adjusted my wrist, sending her through. All right, front to back. And that's it. So it's really a whip. But that tandem can be really cool. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So again, I back up. Because 5, 6, I'm really pivoting and stepping in place. The last part, I'm going to travel back to give us a little more room to continue. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You got it? Tandem. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like that, guys. That just takes some time to practice, but once you get it really well, it becomes part of your muscle memory and you never forget it. So thank you for watching. As always, we'll be back next time for another move. Hope you like it as well next time you see us. But until then, have a great week and keep dancing. Bye.